wonder what it would be like to build your dream home from the ground up? Choose your floor plan, customize the details, and make it truly yours.
Well, here's a chance to make that dream a reality, right here just outside of Peachtree City in Tyrone, Georgia. Welcome to Married in Real Estate. I'm Matthew Dahlke.
And I'm Karen Dahlke. We have a top performing real estate team south of Atlanta. Today, we are so excited to introduce you to the Manor, a beautiful new construction neighborhood here in Tyrone, Georgia that's changing the game of real estate.
Our builder is Chris Gibson, who is a local legend, I think anyways. He has over 20 years of experience building homes in Fayette County, and he has actually done 3 of the neighborhoods right by the Manor. He started with Stonecrest, then he did Registry at Stonecrest, then he did Enclave. So you've probably seen some of these, and this will now be his 4th, and I think the best phase he's done yet.
That's right. We've known Chris for many years, and he has such a great reputation here in Fayette County as a home builder.
So in this video, you're going to be lucky enough to see a sneak peek of some of the features and accents and things he's doing inside of his homes.
Whether you are looking for a cozy retreat or a grand home, we are going to be diving into all of the details. You're going to learn all about the pricing, the lot sizes, the design, everything you need to know to make this home one of a kind.
By the end of this video, you'll be ready to make this your next home. So let's dive in.
Let's start with the location. The Manor is located in Tyrone, Georgia, ideally located north of Peachtree City off of Dogwood Road with access to the Peachtree City cart paths, close access if you want to get to the airport or up into Atlanta.
Whether you're commuting into Atlanta or enjoying a fun night out with family and friends and dining, you are just right around the corner from all of the great restaurants. On the golf cart paths, you can actually get there.
When you are building your dream home, we know that the timeline is really important to you. So we are here to walk you through step by step. Chris Gibson and his team are committed to quality construction, and the timelines are set to be efficient, about 6 to 9 months to build your home.
That way you know you will not be waiting years to get into your dream home. This means you can be in your home in no time.
Chris Gibson will offer about 7 to 8 floor plans ranging from 3,800 square feet to around 8,000 square feet.
That's right, and there are options to do a slab or a basement, whether that's finished or unfinished. And some of those big 8,000 square foot numbers are obviously with a finished basement.
Now let's get to one of my favorite parts, the finishes. Chris Gibson is known for his attention to detail, and the Manor is no exception.
What this means, you can expect high-end custom finishes throughout the entire home. To chef-inspired kitchens with top-tier appliances and spa-like bathrooms.
Don't forget about the beautiful site-finished hardwood floors. You can choose your stain. Lots of options for tile for your baths and your laundry. So many choices. You really make it truly your own.
Every home comes with custom features. Some of my favorites, he does several beautiful accent walls, beams in several of the rooms, and then also the cabinetry custom. You can do the layout you want. There are a plethora of countertops. So I know you get very geeked out going to look at all the stone.
I love it. You get to go to the stone yard.
Every single countertop you get to pick. And you're seeing a lot of waterfalls too, mitered. They're doing all sorts of cool things. So anything you're seeing out there in the custom world, you can do that too in a Chris Gibson home.
Another great feature are the designer lighting choices. You can make the space really shine, no pun intended. You can make the space really shine with your choices.
And we are in Georgia. It gets a little cold. Everybody needs a fireplace, right?
Right.
I feel like. So the homes come with not 1, but 2 fireplaces. Gas, you have one in your living room area, and then you also have one outside in your beautiful covered porch. Great for game days. Speaking of covered spaces, we cannot forget about the massive 3-car garages. These houses, side entry too.
I can tell you're excited about this.
I am, aren't you?
I am. If you have a Yukon or a Suburban or
like a Ford F-250 diesel truck, it even fits in there.
That's right.
Most builders aren't doing that.
Now let's get into the details regarding the lots. The Manor will have 50 lots, and we will be representing Chris Gibson on 25 of those. Each lot is just over an acre, and there is a great attempt to keep as much green space as possible. These are going to be large lots where you're not right on top of your neighbor, especially with those side entry 3-car garages. You're going to need those large lots, and this neighborhood is going to have that.
Whether you want a large lot for the kids to be able to play, or if you want to do that resort style pool out back, there is a lot of space for all of those things. Plus, this neighborhood is my favorite for topography. We're gonna get a little geeked out on that, right?
That's right.
Just beautiful rolling, twisting roads, and I can envision like going on walks. It's really nice.
These homes are designed with modern living in mind. Let's take a look at some of the trends you're going to see here in the Manor.
Think of open floor plans that make entertaining a breeze, plus energy efficient features that make your utility bills better. These houses are so sealed up and they're quiet. Plus, there are plenty of smart home features like your thermostats, your garage doors, your appliances, so you can get on your little mobile device, use the, see, I don't even use these things,
Yeah.
but they are pretty cool if you like technology.
If you want to use the app, you can use the app.
Yeah, you can.
Let's talk about pricing because we realize that that is a key component when choosing your new home. The homes start in the mid 900s, and for some of the larger, more customized plans, you're going to be at about 1.5 million. If you are coming to us from the West Coast, you are going to be just amazed at what you can get between $1 million and 1.5 million. Just a beautiful, customized, gorgeous, stunning home.
That's right, Karen, and all that you just mentioned makes it an even better investment for your future.
To sum things up, the Manor by Chris Gibson offers you a prime Fayette County location, Tyrone, Georgia, high-end finishes, and an efficient build time.
And there are spacious lots, modern construction trends, and competitive pricing.
If you are interested in building a home in the Manor, be sure to give us a call, or you can drop a comment below and we'll get back to you.
We're here to help you find your perfect home at the Manor.
If you want to see more videos about real estate and life south of Atlanta, be sure to like and subscribe.
And let us know in the comments what other topics you'd like us to discuss in the next video. And remember, every move counts. Okay.
Okay.
But you have that option.
I don't want to have to clean that house.
I don't either.
Not
Why
actually
don't you
anyone
move away
because we
from
love
me?
this so much.
Oh, I'm my legs. I'm like cramped up, and you have this whole line. Like, do you see your Anyway, sorry, go ahead. So anyways, you are covered with garage space.
It's your most excited animated part.
You know, I got toys. You will, okay. The lot, and right? How would we do those as a reel?
Yes.
Okay, cool.
A story, a download, an upload, a stream, whatever you want to use it for.
I'm gonna stream your video. That'll be great.
You always ask us like we know, like, I don't know, a reel?
Of building,
Experience?
yeah, okay. Okay, sorry, I got it. Of building homes.